Clipper, Houston, loud and clear.
And Intrepid reads you loud and clear, Houston. We're ready for undocking.
Television now coming down from Yankee Clipper, looking out the window at Intrepid. One of the quads of RCS thrusters visible in the upper right-hand corner of the picture. Roger, 4 minutes and we're standing by. We're ready to go.
Okay, don't forget to stop and dock. You'll probably get a little jar out there to let it damp for a little bit.
Okay, you just tell me when I'm free. I'm along for the ride till then.
Okay. Minutes.
Roger.
I'm on box speed so I can talk and not have to hit a switch.
Okay, Dick, I'm with you. And I'm going to P47 at 1 minute 30 seconds.
Okay. Mark, there you go, 130.
Okay, and then I'm going to dial up a Vert 77 and stand by on the ender as soon as you release me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Dick.
Foot pads look kind of good. I see you with your landing gear down for a change.
Roger.
Seconds. Did get 50. That's 5. Okay, here you go again.
80. Back off, Dick. There he goes.
I just wanted to wait there and let that damp, Pete.
Okay, I got minus... I got minus 1, nothing, so forget it.
Intrepid, Houston, looks good.
On the tube, Jerry.
Real good, Dick. Real good.
Okay.
Okay, Dick, yaw on left, 60.
Hey, Pete, you're cutting in and out to me.
Roger, go up box.